So your name is Purti, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a unique name. I'm hearing it for the first time. What does your name mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what is the meaning of your name?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Purti means fulfillment. All the require and yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, wow,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
nice. So tell me something about yourself. Where are you from and which class you're in?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Purti and I live in Sanda Colony in MP. And recently, I have completed my class 12th, and now I am in graduation BSc first year. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought you were in school.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. I am in graduation.
Okay, great. So what are your hobbies?
Ma'am, actually, to listening music and singing is my hobby.
Okay, you
Yes,
like to
ma'am.
listen music. That's also I
Yes,
like
ma'am.
the thing. Okay, so what
Yes,
type of
ma'am.
music do you listen? Is
Ma'am,
it Bollywood?
mostly I yes, ma'am. Mostly I listen Lata Mangeshkar song because she is my favorite. Yes,
Okay, great. Because youngsters nowadays don't talk about Lata Mangeshkar. They are talking about Neha
yes,
Kakkar, Tony
yes,
Kakkar.
ma'am. Yes,
You have a
ma'am.
unique taste. That's good. So
Yes,
yeah, yeah. You were
yes,
saying
ma'am.
something.
Ma'am, I was saying that in first from this since the time I always listen Lata Mangeshkar song.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
yes, ma'am.
Good. So what's the reason of joining this platform? Like, what are the areas you want to improve?
Ma'am, actually, I want to improve my English conversation and increase the fluency in English. That's why I joined.
Okay, great. So, is there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
kind of activities that you do for improving your English, like listening to, podcast, this kind of things?
Yes, ma'am. I have done many activities with Hamid sir, and
Okay,
yes, ma'am. It was very
okay.
interesting, and with the help of activities, uh, मैम उसको क्या बोलेंगे काफी हद तक
काफी हद तक, to some extent.
हाँ yes
To
ma'am.
some
To some
extent.
extent yes ma'am. To some extent I improved my English conversation and fluency. Yes
Okay,
ma'am.
great. So, how long you have been, practicing with Hamid sir? It's been how long?
Ma'am, I think it has I have been spent my 3 months with Hamid sir.
Okay, 3 months. That's a long time. Good.
Yes ma'am.
Great, great. So,
Yes ma'am.
what is the purpose actually? Is there you are improving English for job, for any kind of thing, like you want to go to abroad, anything like that?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, today's era is going in English conversation, and it is very important. It is very important in job and interview. So I thought that if I continue my English learning process from this age, after that when I will grow, it will help me a lot to
Exactly.
find any kind of job. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. English and communication skill, these two things are very much important nowadays. That's the most
Yes,
important thing.
ma'am.
So, what type
Yes,
of
ma'am.
job you want to do in future?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't. I didn't think yet now, but yeah,
Mhm.
I find the best job. Yes,
What job? Pardon?
uh, in any kind of in any kind of job that. Mm, yes, ma'am. I didn't think yet now. That,
Okay, like any kind of job, whatever. So don't you have any
yes,
kind of,
ma'am.
dream, like this kind of job I want to do, this and that, teacher profession or anything like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So after
Yes,
your graduation, what are your plans? Do you want to do higher studies or only graduation?
ma'am. I want to do higher studies.
Okay, great.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So what
And
studies you want to?
after that I will think what should I do, and in what category, in what type of work I will have to indulge. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Good. So
Yes,
what type of higher studies you want to do after your graduation?
ma'am. I want to become a professor type.
Okay, you want to be a professor.
Yes,
That's good. Good, good.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you don't know about me. Let me tell about myself. I'm Arpita Bhattacharya and I'm a student. I'm studying history honors from Calcutta University and I'm a spoken English trainer as well. I worked on a platform and here I am working. Yeah, that's all.
Yes, ma'am. Nice,
Okay.
nice, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's go into the thing. I'm sharing the screen. Wait. Okay, I can't share the same screen. Okay, so how to share? Okay, anyway, I'm telling you some of the things. Do you know, Purti, that what are the things are needed? Can you see me? Am I frozen
Yes,
or you
ma'am.
can see?
No, ma'am. You are seeing clearly. Yes, ma'am.
Am I moving or it's like the screen is frozen, freeze?
No, ma'am. It is good, ma'am.
Okay, it's good. All right. So, do you know that what are the right ways to improve English?
Ma'am,
Spoken English.
ma'am, to improve day by day in English is a very important to enhance our fluency and focus on the grammar rules, and it is very important to improve English. And
Yes.
I
So, what?
always yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, and that's why I always see English story in on YouTube, and with the help of them I increase my fluency.
Okay, great. So you watch videos. So what type of videos you watch?
Ma'am, I see cartoon story that in English.
Okay. Instead of
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
cartoon story, you can say watch animated videos.
Yes, ma'am. Animated video. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Good. So what do you think in grammar? What things are needed? Which parts of grammar are needed?
Yes, ma'am. But I have not read many grammar. I have not read many rules in grammar, and some rules are very important to make sentence, and I always focus on them. And with the help of them, I easily make a sentence properly. And I would say that good. This type of grammar, I think it is very beneficial for us.
Okay. You said that
Good.
I
Yes,
don't read any grammar. So it's
yes,
not
ma'am.
appropriate. You should say I don't study any grammar rules. Okay, not read.
Yes,
You can't read grammar. You can read a book, but while you are talking
yes,
about
ma'am.
grammar, you should say I don't study any grammar rules.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
but according to you, if I ask you what grammar rules are necessary specifically for speaking in English, whenever we speak in English, what exactly, which parts of grammar are needed? What would you say?
Yes, ma'am. I think would, can, modal verbs, and helping verbs is very important, and passive voice play very important role to make sentence, and many of other rules like get done. It's very important. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
so don't you think that tenses are also very much required? Like while speaking in English, it's the most basic thing.
What, ma'am?
Like tenses are the most basic thing.
Yes,
Like in
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Tenses is very important, and without tenses, we can't speak anything in English. Yes,
Yes, and one correction, you said tenses is very much important. Tenses are very much important.
yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay, because in the tenses, plural, so are.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yeah,
good.
so preposition also very much needed. So what do you pronounce? Preposition or preposition? Which one? What do you think? Which one is correct pronunciation?
Ma'am, preposition.
No, it's preposition. Preposition. Actually, since our
Yes,
childhood, we have been pronouncing this as preposition because of the spelling.
yes,
Saying,
ma'am. Yes,
but no, it's preposition.
preposition. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Preposition.
what do you think? What are the prepositions are very much needed? Which one? On, in, at. There are many. So which one are very much needed while speaking in English? What do you think?
Ma'am, all are important. All are important in their field. When we say that my book lies on the table, so on is very important for to complete this sentence. To and in also important when we see I am coming in my school. And yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, I'm going to my school, not I'm coming in my school. I'm going to my school because you go, no? So that's why I'm going to my
Yes,
school. So in, on, at, these three things are very much important and we become confused. So is the concepts are
yes,
clear
ma'am.
for in, on, at? Do you know the concepts?
Ma'am, to some extent I knew, but I don't know many more about this.
Okay, so let me give you one example.
Yes,
When
yes,
you're
ma'am.
talking that which one is correct? I am in my home or I am at my home. Which one? What do you think?
Ma'am, I think I am at my home is correct.
Good, that is correct. Because home
Yes,
is too big and you can be anywhere inside your room. So that's why at. One way, but when you say I am in my room, that means this room is enclosed, this particular place only. That's why in, not
yes,
at.
ma'am.
Good
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
know this. Impressive. Good. So do you practice with anyone? Do you have any friend or anybody with whom you can practice and talk?
Yes, ma'am. I have a little, my younger brother, and I always practice with them. And he also speak in English, and we talk to each other in English
Okay.
conversation. Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
So has he joined any kind of
Yes,
spoken English
ma'am.
course?
Yes, ma'am. He has joined the Hamid sir class also.
Oh, you both, brother and
Yes,
sisters have joined.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Wow,
And we
that's
are
good.
in same class. And we are in
Oh,
same class. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So what he's studying?
Ma'am, he is doing the in graduation. He is in graduation and in BSc first year with
Okay.
me.
Like same. You are also studying the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. We are studying same
Okay.
thing.
That's good. So don't you guys fight because you have the same age, same, same almost the same thing. Don't you guys fight
Yes, ma'am.
each other?
Yes, ma'am. We fight too much,
Okay.
but
So mhm.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And there are competition between me and my brother, and I always learn from them, and he teach me, and I also tell him.
Okay, you
Yes,
you
ma'am.
teach him and you learn from him. Oh, that's good. One mistake
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said, me and my brother. Actually, is not
Yes,
correct. When you're talking about yourself, then you should say my brother and I.
yes,
My
ma'am. My
parents,
brother.
my brother and I. You should be always at last and you should not say me, you should say I.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me anything else that you want to ask me. Is there anything that you want to ask related to English? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask you that how can you speak in English fluency, because sometimes we afraid to speak in English, and when we get task that you have to speak on the stage, so it's very important to to maintain our mind. and sometimes I feel like I am scared if I speak in English or not. So I would like to listen you that what type of confidence we need to speak in English. And
Okay,
you are
good.
speaking clearly, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
With
thank you so much.
confidence, yes, ma'am.
Okay, one thing you said, no, how to speak in fluency. No, how to speak
Yes, ma'am.
fluently. Fluently,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
fluency.
Fluently.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So
Fluently.
one thing, we can't speak in English fluently because due to lack of practice, that is the most important thing. We don't practice. We just keep on making excuses that I didn't get time and so on and so forth. So that you should not do. Every day you should do 1 hour of practice, listening, reading, that thing. LSRW rule. Do you know what is the rule?
Yes,
Listening,
ma'am.
speaking, reading, writing. If you don't know, don't do
Yes, ma'am.
writing also, then good. But listening, speaking, reading, you need to do. And also you need to remove the belief system which you have in your mind. Some kind of belief system we have that if we go and speak to anyone, then that person might be judging me. That can person can
Yes,
laugh, and
ma'am.
these things are there.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
if
You're
you're
right.
talking to anyone, so if anyone is like if you make any mistake, so if you're constantly thinking in your mind, oh God, if I make mistake, then what gonna happen? And these things are there. So that's the reason you just stay back and you don't speak anymore. So you need to remove the belief system, the thinking process which you have, that whatever gonna happen in your life, whatever you will do in your life, whether it's job, study, everyone would gonna laugh at you and everyone would make some kind of criticism. So you can't just
Yes,
can't do
ma'am.
graduation, you can't. It's not like you will sit idle, you will always go and you will do studies, you will do job. So similarly you should also not think about anyone, you should keep on speaking, because from mistakes only we learn. It's good to make mistake. I also make a lot of mistake, and from my mistakes I learn. So it's nothing to be afraid. It's be shameless while making mistake.
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
Yes, while we do anything, so we always need to remove the belief system, the thinking जो हम लोग
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
सोचते हैं वो दूर करना चाहिए, because
Yes,
everything is in
ma'am.
psychology works, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the reason.
Yes.
And practice, and whatever your teacher will be giving you feedback, like let's say any mistake if you make, do note it down. Any copy,
Yes,
make a
ma'am.
small copy and go through your mistake every day and keep on practicing and be shameless while making mistake.
Yes, ma'am. You're right,
Okay,
ma'am.
so so you have understood. As I think from now onwards we will be talking to strangers, you won't think of anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So anything else you want to
Yes.
ask, or shall we close this session?
Ma'am, I didn't. I don't recall. Yes, ma'am. You
Okay, you
can ask
can't
anything.
recall. Okay, you
Yes,
can't recall.
ma'am.
Okay, so I want to say that you have, I don't know what your English was before because I'm meeting for the first time, but I can say your English is good, but still you need a lot of practice because sometimes you're a little bit
Yes,
shy.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're
So
right.
how the shyness can be improved? By talking to strangers more and more. Try to talk to
Yes,
strangers.
ma'am.
Don't think वो बंदा या बंदी मुझे हंसेगा, मेरे पे हंसेगा, this kind of things. Just speak. You're not committing any crime,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You're just trying to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, electricity is gone.
Yes, ma'am. Here is no
Is there a power
electricity. That.
cut? Okay. Okay. All right. So I don't have any questions to ask you. Keep on practicing. You're a good girl. You have passion. So keep doing that. So bye bye. It was
Yes,
nice
ma'am.
talking to you, Purti. Take care.
Thank you,
Keep
ma'am.
on practicing.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.